Hi guys, Miss Sims here, hanging out with Rashid. So we're going to look at addition and subtraction today. So here we have an addition symbol and a subtraction symbol. Okay, now there's a couple different ways that we can solve these. First of which would be using counters. So we have counters here, and I don't have enough counters, so I might use some that are in a different color. So these ones here. Okay, so if I wanted to solve this first one, 6 plus 3. First thing I do is I need 6 counters in one color. And then I would need to add 3 more counters. Okay, 6 plus 3. Now, I could restart counting, but I already know this is 6. So let's start with 6, 7, 8, 9. And my answer is 9. Okay, now I'm going to write that down so I don't forget it. 9. Okay, now if I'm looking at this one, this is subtraction. So for subtraction, I would start with, again, the top number, number 9. So I have 9 counters here. Okay, now I need to subtract or take away some counters. How many are we going to subtract? So 9 subtract 4. So we're going to subtract 4 counters. So let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4. How many counters are left? Great, 5. So put down 5 counters. Okay, so that was the first way, using counters. Now you could also use a number line. So if you're going to do addition, and you're going to use a number line, you always start with the top number. So we have number 6. Okay, so I'm going to find number 6. And then I need to add 3 more. Start here, we're going to go 1, 2, 3. 3 more jumps, and we end up at 9. That was a lot quicker than the counters, but if you like the counters, use the counters. Now let's look here. We have 9 subtract 4. So we're going to do the same thing. We're going to start at the top number. So the top number is 9, and then we're going to subtract. Okay, so let's see. I'm going to erase these. We're going to start at the number 9. And remember, we have a little poem that we use to remember which way we go on the number line. And if we're going to subtract, we say we count back to subtract. So count back 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And we end up at the number 5. So we're saying that answer. The last way we could use is using a 120 board. So same thing. If you're going to add, your number is going to get bigger. But if you're going to subtract, you need to count back to subtract. So start with the first one. Number 6. Add 3 more. 1, 2, 3. What do we end up on? Number 9. Or to subtract, we're going to count back. Start at the number 9, or top number. And we're going to subtract 4. Let's see if we end up at the same number. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yep. We ended up at the number 5.